So I serve as the Director for Native American Health Sciences here at Washington State University in Spokane. So Na-ha-shnee is a STEAM camp for high school students, incoming freshmen to outgoing seniors. And Na-ha-shnee is an opportunity for high school students to explore the different health sciences, whether it be nursing, pharmacy, speech and hearing, medicine. But it's not just about exploring those, but it's actually immersing themselves in that college life. Being that this is the 30th anniversary, Na-ha-shnee is now, it's not a place for change, but a place for growth. Exploring the different areas that we can create opportunities for more youth. You know, we're starting a Little Birds program that's under the Na-ha-shnee umbrella. We're starting our sports clinic, which is under the Na-ha-shnee umbrella. And so Na-ha-shnee now is an umbrella that covers a lot of different pathway programs for different youth. The expansion of Na-ha-shnee is really exciting because in these next 30 years, we're going to be expanding to more pathway programs to engaging more youth.
I think that Na-ha-shnee does a really good job of trying to meet kids in really unique ways. So they don't just take the kids to the college and tell them to learn. I went through the binders of all the past camps, and every single camp has been a little bit different, adding more and more each time. I think it's sometimes hard to tell with high schoolers. You can give a really, what you think is an impactful speech or activity, and you can't really tell if it hits them or if it clicked. But we were really lucky. We had a couple students, like, I didn't even know that this career existed. And you see this light bulb go off in their eyes. And one girl, she was like, I never even thought about being a pharmacist, but I think this is what I want to do. And it was really fun for us to get to connect her with that. And her dad came to pick her up and was so excited with her. So I think it's exciting for the whole family, for their kids to be able to find something they can be passionate about.
1, 2, 3, go, go. Nice!
I think that the best part about it was like that everybody there, like most of the students were Native and they were from a variety of tribes. But I remember on the first 2 days, Robbie Paul, the director back then, she let us choose like 1 or 2 job shadows. We also got to do first aid and CPR training, and that was like my first time ever getting CPR certified. And I literally, this morning, was looking at my CPR certification and it expires next month. And I was like, I've been certified ever since then. Talking circle was huge. So at the end of each day, we would meet as a program. I think that was impactful because I remember it. We would get to open up and just say, oh, how was your day? What did you learn? Or what did you like? Or I would definitely just, try to get the word out and grow that program because I honestly feel like it's something that should just go on forever, because it's such a fun experience, but you get so much out of it.
Whether or not you realize that your support really matters to these kids, oftentimes when students leave from rural areas especially and go to bigger colleges, they often feel isolated and alone and miss their community, and that's sometimes why they come home. By you guys supporting them early on, it helps build and bridge that gap between community and college. And so when they get here, they don't feel as alone and they know that they have your support.